Data Button versus Bolt. In this video, I will show you which AI app builder is better in 2025 and what to expect from each. So make sure to like and subscribe. So first is their target users. Data Button is aimed at makers and startups looking to build quick MVPs using AI and simple code. Bolt, on the other hand, is designed more for creators and marketers who want to automate without writing codes. Next is their functionality. Data Button allows writing Python scripts, building UIs, and integrating GPT to generate full AI apps, while Bolt focuses on prompt engineering, chaining GPT tasks, and setting up agent flows. Next is their user interface. Data Button offers a simple editor with Python and a drag and drop UI builder, while Bolt provides a sleek dashboard for chaining AI logic without touching any code. Lastly is their deployment. Data Button lets you deploy to the cloud easily and share apps with links, while Bolt is more workflow oriented and it doesn't offer full app deployment like Data Button. So, for final verdict, if you want to build AI powered apps with some coding, you can go for Data Button. If you are more into building workflows and automations without any code, you can go with Bolt. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.